today for a big workshop that took place after 2 years of being at home. And it's been 2 very hectic days, and today now we have our 6 last meetings, and we had amazing time here. We met so many counselors that we haven't seen for the last 2 years, and we exchanged information. There were so many changes in our countries, the colleges that we represent, and the programs, so we could give information about what those changes are, and we actually see each other and tell people about our lives after COVID, and told the counselors about the students that they had with us. Last night we had an amazing party, and everything was good, and it was amazing to be here, to be part of this big conference. And it was a great opportunity actually to see everyone in the same place, and it's in 2-day event. It's a great opportunity for us as schools.